Hi everyone. Today we will implement some combat behavior in our game. And before we will start, I just would like to mention that a code and algorithms for this and for next few videos was inspired by Game Dev TV, by course from Game Dev TV, which I could really recommend you, and I will left you a link below. And if you would like to make your own RPG game, I could really recommend you this course. So enjoy it. And uh, let's look what changes I did from previous video. So I change name of the script folder from movement to movements, and also I didn't forget to change the namespace in this case from for our player controller, and movement from movement to movements. uh, yeah. And the second thing is I changed this parameter for goto method from raycast to vector3 type. So I put here vector3 destination, and then our navmesh agent dot destination is equal to destination. And then we should also change in our player controller script here, when we call our goto method, we should, instead of just hit, put here hit dot point. It will convert a raycast method to vector3 method. Okay. Okay, and let's implement some combat behavior in our game. Um, let's implement our combat system. And for beginning, or we should make a new folder, which I will call a combat system, like this. And here I would like to create a new model behavior script, which I will call combat target. Let's open it, and let's put it to the right namespace. So namespace game combat system. Here our class. We will not need start an update for now, and for now we will here create just simple method void take damage, and just return for now. Okay, and we will add this combat target script to all our enemies. So we will go back to characters, enemy, and here we will add combat target script. Okay, let's go back to our scripts folder, to our combat system. And another script which we will create here is new mono behavior script, which I will call fight. And I will add this script to our player. So just few seconds. Again, character, player, and add a new script. Fight. Okay. And let's also put our script to write namespace. Mm. And again, we will not need this start and update method for now. We will just create here simple method attack, which not stack, but attack, which will take like a parameter our combat target. To uh, yeah, we have a mistake here. Come on, but target perfect. And again, for now we will just return here. Okay, and uh, let's go back to our player controller script. And for now we should uh, separate this part of our code to a new method. Um Visual Studio automatically name it like a getRay. I'm pretty satisfied with it, so let's stay with this name getRay. And also we could simplify our code to make this rake like a temporary variable. At this moment, our player controller script is just responsible for movement of our player, but in the future we also would like to control another states of a player. So, for example, this combat state, and for this case, we should extract this part of the code from our update method to separately method. And let's call this like movement check. Perfect. So now we have our movement check like separate method, and like check for another state we should add here a new method, for example um, combat check. So let's create this new method combat check, and here in combat check we will create an array of array casts. So array cast hit hit an array which we will call hits, and now Copilot offer us correct version of the code. So physics raycast all, and like a parameter we will take a get array method. Uh, so this method create array of hits, and then we will create a for each loop. So for each array cast hit hit in hits, uh, so we will in this for each loop we will check if any hit uh, if any raycast from our mouse will hit game object which will has combat target component on it. If and if it will have this component, so this game object will be automatically passed uh, like our target. So let's do this. So combat target target is equal to this hit transform get component combat target. Perfect. And if target is null, it means if target if our array didn't hit any game object with this combat target script on it, it will just continue. So if target is equal to null, continue. Now it's correct. Continue. And uh, continue means that it will escape from our for each loop. So this means that another part of a code in for each loop uh, will be done just if target is not equal to null. So if input get mouse button down, we will call an attack method from uh, our component from our script fight. So just tap get component fight dot attack and target like a parameter. And here we have some problem. This is because our attack method is not public. So just make it public. And let's check now. Yeah, now that should work. Perfect.